Hi guys, this is Morris from Revenge Trading. Just want to go over my trade today. Um, I'm gonna point out what the trade setup was today and how it works out. Um, I'm on the 8-hour chart right now. As you know from my previous videos, I usually start with the weekly chart just to identify the weekly close. So here is our weekly close, this blue line here. And then I identify my 8-hour candle, the high and the low. We have that identified. Now, I will take this over to the 15-minute chart to identify my trading setup. What we usually do, my ideal setup, usually we use two close candle. But this one was extraordinary this morning. There was a lot of bullish action in here, and if you notice this candle here overpower this bearish candle. It's nearly twice time. It went up nearly twice the size of this bearish candle. That tells me that there's a lot of buying power in the market and people want to buy. So when this candle closed, it closed at the ideal spot. It closed above the weekly open and above the weekly close rather. It's and what we're looking at here. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart. Okay. Here we are on the 15-minute chart. This is the 8-hour candle that was very bullish. Went up, open, close. Really, this is the high and this is the low, and then the market pull back to test the weekly, find support there, and I have my 2060 EMA crossover right here. So this was already developed, so I was looking to see some pullback, then continuation. So here we got a pullback down to the 60, and then we had this weekly closed line here, and the market previously break above, then pull back to it. So this is what I was looking for, and here we go. So we would enter our entry order to buy above this small wick right here. Let me identify this right here, right on the weekly. It happened on the 60, so that was an ideal area to go long above that candle. And here we are. The candle, the market moved to the upside very nicely, and then it just ranged to the upper level here. That tells me that the market is still strong. And here we are now at this point. The market looks to be still at this moment. I have my son here with me. He's 13 years old. His name is Zeke. He's the one that edited this video. He's the one that put the video together for me. So I'm going to be asking him a question here concerning the setup right now as to what he would do. Zeke, um, what kind of trade would you take on this market right now, according to how the setup is?
Well, I don't know because it could go up, it could go down. So I would actually wait so it show me a clear direction on which way to go.
Okay, well that is true. There is really no direction here right now. Even though we have an uptrend, cross for an uptrend, but from what the market is doing here right now, it's still, I wouldn't take a buy or a sell right now. I would just sit around and wait until London session. I'm just gonna put a little two little lines over here, and then you can see that these little lines here kind of form a triangle. This look like a triangle over the setup that's going on right now. So at this point, this could go anyway. It could break to the downside, it could break to the upside. Our rule is we have to have our 2060 cross, whether it's to the downside or the upside, before we initiate that trade. After the market is gone this long and it's still, I will not look to get in. I would wait on a new setup. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope that this was of some help to you, and we'll see you in our next video.